down. Did you just pull yourself up to get the remote? To eat the remote? Whoop! Hey! Here, you want to try to get it again? Here, come here. Come on. Try to get up. Oh, look at the drool on the couch. Come on. Show them how you can get up. Come on. Come on. Whoopsies! Show them how you can get up. Come here. Do you want this? Do you want this? Come here. Come here, Connor. Come here.
On this pie chart, the blue represents how much of your dollar goes towards programs for the actual cause. The white represents fundraising expenses.
Good enough.